Good morning to our beautiful teacher, Ma'am Cherry Bawiga, and to our classmates. Today, we're going to learn everything about matter. What is matter? Everything around us is matter. They take up space. They have mass and volume. The air you breathe, the water you drink, the food you eat, are all matter. But they are all different kinds of matter.
Let us learn now about solids. Solids have definite shape. A book, for example, is a solid in the shape of a rectangle. Solids are made up of little pieces called particles. They are packed closely together. They can't move across each other or float away in space. Solids can be hard like a stone or soft like a cotton. They can be heavy like a big rock or light like a feather. They can be rough like a sand or smooth like a mirror. It's time to learn about liquids. Liquids do not have their own shape because it follows the shape of a container. Water can fill a round container. It can fill a square pan or can fill a tall glass. Liquids are also made up of little pieces called particles. The particles of a liquid are held together loosely. They are across each other. Liquids are soft, not hard. It can be hot like a coffee or cold like a juice.
Let's now learn about gas. Gas particles are not held together. They float away and fill up the space they're in. Gas can be light or heavy. A gas called helium is lighter than air. That is why a helium balloon takes up. Gas can be hot or cold. When you go to a tourist place like Baguio or Tagaytay, the weather there is cold. But here in Santiago, the weather is warm.
Solids, liquids, and gases are states of matter. There are also changes in matter, the physical change and the chemical change. The physical change is the change in size and shape. Examples are peeling, cutting, and crumpling. It is called physical change because no new substance is formed and you can still identify the original composition. Chemical change is the change in color, odor, and taste. It is called chemical change because it changed its composition and you can no longer identify its original composition. If I tear this paper, it is called physical change. But if I burn it, it is called chemical change because it changed its composition.
Did you know that there are also phase changes of matter? Melting, freezing, evaporation, condensation, sublimation, and deposition. For example, when you heat up water, it turns into gas. Evaporation is the process of changing liquid to gas. The water dust collects as droplets in the cold surface is called condensation, such as the outside of this cold glass of juice. The molecules slow down and it goes closer together. The gaseous liquid vapor turns back into the liquid water droplets. Melting is a process of changing solid to liquid by means of fluid, such as ice or heated margarine.
The application of it increases the substance's temperature to the melting point.
Freezing is the process of changing liquid into solid when the temperature is below its freezing point 0 degrees Celsius. Example of this is ice.
Sublimation is the process of changing solid into the gas without passing liquid state. An example of this are mothballs. It evaporates from solid directly into gas.
Deposition is a process of changing gas into solid. Example of this are extinguisher.
Did you know that water is only a matter that undergoes a three state of matter? It can be solid like ice, liquid
liquid as water, and gas as a vapor.
Oh, dalawa na.
Dalawa na.
Oh, single na lang.
Different states of matters.
Dalawa na yan.
Different arrangement of particles and solid particles. Hold each other very tightly. Very tightly.
Oh. Again.
There is a strong force attraction. Solid now a definite shape of volume in the state. Particles are packed close together. Particles in liquid are much harder. Part of the particles is falling. The particles of particles in space, the solid, liquid, gas, the different states of matters. Of particles, solid particles, hold each other very tightly. So when it's solid have a different shape. The particles are packed closely to.
Sige, diretso lang. Huwag na kayo magsisiyan.
Particles are much farther apart than the particles. Solid, the force of attraction in liquids is weaker